In this quick guide, you'll learn how to freeze your Chime virtual card. Managing your finances securely is crucial, and knowing how to freeze your virtual card can help protect you from unauthorized transactions. Let's dive into the process to ensure your funds remain safe with just a few taps on your phone. First, you'll want to open the Chime app. This app is your gateway to managing your Chime account, and everything you need is right at your fingertips. Once you have the app open, log into your account using your credentials. It's always a good idea to make sure your login details are secure and not shared with anyone to maintain the integrity of your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, navigate to the settings menu. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your account, and today, we're focusing on your cards. Tap on Cards, and this will take you to a list of all the cards associated with your account, including both physical and virtual options. Now, locate and select your virtual card from this list. Your virtual card is an essential tool for online transactions, and managing it properly is key to ensuring your financial safety. Upon selecting it, you will see several options available for managing your card. The option we're interested in today is the freeze card feature. This feature allows you to block all transactions on your virtual card instantly. To activate it, simply toggle the freeze card option to on. By doing this, you effectively block any unauthorized charges from occurring. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your account if you suspect any unusual activity or if you want to prevent any accidental spending. If you ever need to unfreeze your card, the process is just as easy. Simply return to the same menu and toggle the freeze card option to off. This will allow you to resume normal transactions using your virtual card whenever you're ready. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to freeze and unfreeze your Chime virtual card. Keeping your finances secure has never been easier, and with these quick steps, you can gain peace of mind knowing that you have control over your transactions. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to financial security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.